Alright, I think I'm live. Gonna see here. Oh god, that was loud. Stream manager. Here we go. Yeah! At least the thing says I'm live. Let's go ahead and pull this here. This is already here. Sweet. Let's see how this goes. It's been a hot minute, but I've changed things up a little bit for my setup. Can I hear myself? Yes, I can. Excellent. Let's see, my display should be showing. Good. Chat's live, blah, blah, blah. Excellent. We'll see if, I get any chatters today. Stream title, Learning Ruby and Rails. Yeah, okay, cool. Oh, default props, name David. Hello's name. Oh, this isn't even in, this is not even being rendered currently because the default page is whatever the server's default is, which is, whatever's over here on localhost 3K. Yeah, because whatever is rendered, oh, well, it's not even running. I should probably run the application. That would help quite a bit with developing. But, you know, that's a, thing. You gonna run? I know you're not listening yet. I can see that your logs aren't out. Oh, there we go. Now it's listed. Excellent. Oh, flash bomb. Yeah, so this doesn't actually have any of the prop drilling or anything from this React file, this JSX file. I need to learn how to set that up. Rails start, turboling, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Okay, I have no idea how to do that. Cancel. What do you mean added to Git? This isn't even a repo. There is no... Did it auto create a repo? Like... Hold on. Git config. Why am I looking up on the private browser? I should look it up on the public one. Git config show origin. All right. Yeah, that checks out. Oh, QQ, clear, config list. This should, oh, this is the same stuff, same place. Let me look in here. I don't see an origin anywhere in here, so yeah. Yeah, clear. Neat. Alright, so I need to figure out how to get this React file to be used, which is probably going to be this route file here that I haven't touched. I know it's like get, and then... Actually, yeah, no, let's do root, because I want... Shoot. And then... Yeah, that's what I'm trying to solve. This is what I'm getting at here. Okay. I just messed up my makeup completely, didn't I? Hold on. Quite a bit, but doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm here to program. I'm not here to look as pretty. I want to look pretty, but I'm gonna shut up now. Yeah. Okay, so minimum route controller with an action, minimum a route, a controller, and an action. And an action is, yeah, okay, controller is the action map essentially in a view. Okay, route request, controller to an action, controller action performance. Yeah, this is MVC, standard MVC. Adding routes, get. Run the controller generator with skip routes option because we already have an appropriate route. It generates? Oh, this is wild, dude. Alright, so we're gonna just follow the tutorial for now and learn. Slash home e.g. login for login controller name but found home index. Okay. Rails generate controller home. Index of action to create their option because we already have an appropriate name. Generate controller home index. Okay, yeah, so controller name and then action and then option. Skip dash routes. Oh, hello. Oh, because freaking. Alright. Because it treats it like a file, not as an actual exe. LS bit. Okay, so bin slash Rails, and that will do generate controller home index skip routes. Why is it not marked as an exe? What? Sandbox bin. Is it just like a link? Yeah, it has to be because that's not a true binary. Yeah, this is like a symlink, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's all full access, but is it not marked as an executable? Windows symlink doesn't execute. No, it's like symlink choose application to open file. Creating symlinks on Windows. What are symbolically? I'm not a robot. That's just rude. I see a freaking YouTube video here, dude. No, that okay. Yeah, no, that's helpful. Can I like do CMD and then that? Like if I do and then a home, there we go. All right, so that one didn't. So why does that's wild? Okay, so I guess now I'll try this again. Rails generate whatever. For create home controller.ruby. Heck yeah, got it working. All right, so apps views. Oh, because I'll have to make the view use the React bundle. Oh man, this sucks. The index HTML. Yeah, okay, I see. Here's the home controller. This is the default action. Ooh. Oh, dude, JetBrains are so cool. I closed the browser that I needed, I think. Yeah, that's the only one I have open. Amazing. Ah, that's bright. All right. I just flash bombed us. I'm so sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry squared. Okay. So we have the controller, the index file, or the HTML file. The test. Oh, heck yeah, it generates test files too. And then I'm not sure what a helper is. And then SCSS applies all cells from the home controller here. They will automatically be included in application.css. You can use SAS here. Interesting. But I want to use React and I have React in this folder. How do I hook that up? Okay. Moving stuff. All right, learning. Okay, we have that, and then now that we have that, we can also do like root home index. Cool. All right. Does that mean if I reload you, it'll go to that destination now? Webpack can't find application JS manifest JSON. Possible. Oof. Let's kill and rebuild, maybe. Maybe it'll take some time to recompile. It doesn't actually create assets on the fly. No, it looks like it's still gonna error out. Yeah, that hurts. Okay. Here, let's re-request and get that log back. Hit this. We'll get 2 logs. We'll get a client-side log and a server-side log. Okay, let's check the server, because I think this is going to be the more important one right now. Started to get root, processing by home controller, index HTML as HTML. I never returned anything. No, that explains a lot. No. That checks out. Slash v6.1 is what I was looking at. Yeah. Oh, God. No, it's not. Here. Yeah, there we go. That's database. I'm not there yet. Okay, here. Def index. Replaces contents with whatever. Wait, it didn't do anything with the index action. Does not explicitly render a view or otherwise trigger an HTTP response. Rails will automatically render a view that matches the name of the controller and action. Convention over configuration. Views are located in app/views directory, so the index action default. Let's open and replace its contents with, yeah, okay, just a standard hello world. No, I don't need that. I already have stuff here. Well, just do that, I guess. Because index, HTML, Ruby, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's all there. Now, if you previously sub server to run the controller, restart it with bin rails server to see. Oh yeah, let me hit home first. Maybe it's just I screwed up the index / home. Let's see if the route works. I don't think the route's working. No, the route's broken too. Possible cause of showing ERB where line number 10 was erased. Okay, I see. Yeah, there's more errors. So let's look at the other errors. Crypto hash, new error, envelope, routines, unsupported, create hash. Cryptographic hash is failing. Lazy compile hook, blah, blah, blah. Compilation, bundling. So this is bundling stuff. Open SSL error stack, digital envelope initialization error. Hash code factory, library support, unsupported error. SSL EVP unsupported. Action view template error. Webpack can't find application. Possible causes. You want to start Webpack or ammo. Webpack has yet run to reflect updates. You have misconfigured your ammo file. Your configuration is not creating a manifest. Your manifest contains. Yeah. Okay. So this packing error here. This Webpack error, whatever this is. Yeah, Webpacker. New hash algorithm x of length. Algorithm ID get hash cache. Okay, Ruby on Rails paste thing. Okay, I guess it'll give me node, but whatever. Is an algorithm or key set is no longer allowed by default SSL 3.0. To fix this, you can upgrade Node.js to the latest LTS version, or use that flag. Okay. Okay, so it might just be like my local SSL not playing nice with the current node version. Clear. Node dash version. Volta install node. npm install. I'm not sure if this is actually where. Yeah, that's the wrong directory. I am so silly. cd // I'm also in command. I'm not in PowerShell. Okay, yeah. Let's try it here. I think the package JSON is this root level. Yeah, okay. Excellent, excellent. npm audit fix -- dev. npm audit fix dev. Help if I spell things correct. I know you can't hear what I'm listening to, but yeah. Ooh. Oh, that's not a happy trace. Post CSS depends on vulnerable versions of. Oh, God. Which is a breaking change. Frack me. Treasures issues do not require attention. Treasures all issues, including breaking changes. Thing is that should, in theory, build directly. It shouldn't be like a compatibility problem, but I am using an older version of Rails. We'll give it a shot. We'll see if I nuke my project or not. Let's see how much I can break my application. Well, God damn it. Fuck. Error code 1, some versions have dependencies actual. Building Volta, GUI. I don't know what GIP verb is. No. I'm checking Python for Python 2. I don't have Python 2 on this computer? Really? Nope. Time to fix that, I guess. Jeez, dude. Why do we have so many legacy stuff everywhere? Last release of Python 2 was April 20th, 2020. We should not be using this stuff, guys. I'm certain it's because I'm on a legacy version of Rails, which I guess is my bad. But at the same time, couldn't download error? Did my internet drop again? No, I've got internet. Why can't I download a tiny binary? Okay, reload the page, click the button. Is... Oh my god. Oh, the FTP server crashed. That's what happened. Jeez. Anyone here yet? Nah, no one's here yet. There's like no way I have these files. They're downloaded! What on... Well, they're almost downloaded. They're unconfirmed. I have to nuke this stuff. Oh, and they just got removed. VFS is slow today. Oh, it's just on the scanning stage. Got, yeah. Thanks, Edge. You're the best. Do you not like have a proper like downloads view? Edge doesn't have like an actual downloads view. What the heck? That's just disgusting. All right, round 2. npm audit fix dash force. Oh, it needs to be a new terminal because it's not part of the path yet. Because if I do Python, yeah, I need a new terminal. Okay, nuke that. New terminal. PowerShell python.exe 2.0. No. Oh, okay. I have to restart the whole IDE. All right. This is silly. All right. All right. Python. We got version 2. Excellent. Go. Yeah, cool. What's this guy? Coverage? Oh. Oh, neat. Endpoints, and it's actually going to show. Dude, JetBrains software is so cool. I love JetBrains. They just write good stuff. You can't tell me that Python ain't there. All right. Okay, you know what? Okay. We're going to try and see if I can even run the server anymore. I'm gonna press X to doubt on that, but we're gonna see. Actually, you know what? I'm doing something very wrong. And you know what I'm doing wrong? I'm running it instead of debugging it. Alright, will it crash in the right place? Let me see. Yes, okay. And it's gonna be the crypto, the hash? No, no, yeah, it is the crypto hash. Okay, the hash go. Okay, let me debug the server rather than just straight up running it. Because then I can actually get some sort of view onto this. Stop. Debug. Remind and find debugging gems. Install them to start debugging and install, yeah. Well, Ruby mine's hung. Oh, flicker. We got a flicker. What's my phone want? Yeah, Ruby Interceptor. Go for it, because that's gonna be the rootkit. Not the rootkit, but the way to like reflection into the process. Whoa, that's a blue screen. Oh, how intriguing. That was wild. Not a Windows blue screen, but like the site itself was blue, like flash blue for a second for its hot reload server. It was really interesting. Yeah, okay, so we're still getting the same issues. Select SQLite version. Dude, my coworkers are working after hours. What the heck, dude? Disgusting. Wow, this is so bad. Yeah, so it fired off a 500. Can I see the 500 in the traffic? There it is. Oh, wow, it actually previews the HTML. Sick. Okay. Ruby, okay, we're gonna look up Ruby on Rails Webpacker fails crypto hash. Jeez. Process debugger Ruby debug IDE blah 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 blah. File filtering is supported. Block breakpoints supported. Partial obtaining. Okay, yeah. See if this gives me anything. Okay, this is at least the right type of error. Webpack. 1 month ago, asked 3 years ago, modified 1 month ago. Webpack ran into this 4 days ago and is still working on it. No, I'm not downgrading Node. I just upgraded Node to try and... Yeah, okay. Tell Node to use legacy OpenSSL provider. No. Okay. We're going to try and hunt down the dependency. Who is doing this? Webpack compilation. Because it's also failing at create hash for this guy. I think his create hash is going to be like... Yeah, object create hash. Oh, right. Okay. Right direction. Okay, so first of all, npm update. It's going to do some maths, figure out what dependencies can actually go up. Uh, Oh, that's the thing, huh? I can ask the assistant with that error, technically, I guess. I guess it's only on single things because it's not going to help with like the RAND thing here. But I have an AI assistant. Let me see if it's just going to spit out what Google says or if it actually has a thought. Alright, let's see what the AI assistant says. Should relate to OpenSSL in your Node.js environment. Here are common reasons: incompatible versions. Your Node.js might be using OpenSSL configuration that is not supported. Deprecated algos, an encryption algorithm. Possible solutions: upgrade Node.js. Yeah, I just did that. Ensure they're using the latest LTS or yeah. I'm not using Node version manager. I'm using Volta. You can enable legacy. Yeah, I'm not adding in a security vuln. I mean, okay. Technically. Well, hold on. Can I just add that to the run config instead of environment? No. Well, yeah, that's the database. Environment variables. Okay. Let me copy you. Edit. If this works, I'm gonna laugh. I think it still blew up. Completed 200! Okay. Because, alright, I'm telling my friend about what happened. I literally do not care about security on a fucking tech demo of a fucking technical analysis of version of Rails I was able to coerce Node to serve the route by allowing legacy SSL gen. All right, that's taken care of. So stupid. Okay, so now it's serving. Dude, this IDE is sick. Anyway. Wait, you can control click the JetBrains, you guys are so good. Oh man. They actually made this stuff fully integrated. That's sick. Renders that. Oh, it's all linked together. Yeah. Alright, how do I serve the React? files, React recipe, app, JavaScript components. I mean, I have packs, which is this guy here. App, JavaScript, application.js, import. Right, who calls hello React? Hello. Const hello equals props. Yeah, so this is like the root launcher of the React instance. So I would just render the JSX file onto whatever, because this creates the oh, because you have to use React Router for that. Ah, yeah. Okay, I get the rough idea where this is going, because basically I'd come here to views. Where does it say the ERB file gets updated? Because the ERB file is going to have the JavaScript injected into it somehow. That's the SCSS creating the recipe. Yeah, that's all models. Okay. Yeah, this is all rendering. How do I just needed to load the React file. I know how to, I can get to the rest. I just need to get to the point where like displaying JSX. Instead of this template engine, this configure visually appealing homepage with React with the help of ESPL. Oh. Yeah, so yeah, remove the default content of the HTML file. I just need to know like how to reference the React file. Nope, this is all data modeling, and I'm not looking for the data modeling. I just want something static right now. Wait, unless that application dot, hold on, application dot, application. I swear, this is what I'm missing. What's channels? That's React as well. Yeah, okay. be kind of cool if that actually just worked, but I doubt it. All the compiling. Alright. Take a look. DOM. I don't see anything like that, because what if I were to like... Function hello, yeah, because it would show that. Alright, I think this is all beyond the scope of what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to help a friend like fix some random code. Alright, let's get to the actual thing I was trying to like work on, I guess. M.V.C.N.U, generating model, database, whatever. Okay, cool. What do I actually need to get to be able to solve, or not solve, but like look at my friend's thing? Yes, translate. So we just upgrade from 6 to 6.1. Situation, what happened, defects, blah, 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 blah. Only code defect is shown as this. Foo params equals params.fetch. This syntax is wild. So this is like some lazy load stuff, I'm guessing. Following is a repro code with fewer components from the above code example. Oh wait, is this actually interactable? What? Oh, that's sick. Dude, IDEs are the coolest thing ever. Alright, let's give this a shot. So I got 600 out of it. Okay, well, okay, hold on. Let's. Okay. That's on me. I set the bar on the floor. There we go. Yeah, okay. I am finally able to repro. Finally able to repro. Finally. Yeah, okay. Insane. Okay. So now the big old question, why? Yep, that's the one he says. Wild. Yeah, the parameter changed from type of parameters to type of hash with indifferent access. Okay. Do source hash equals bar object new params action parameter param source hash. Yeah, okay. Because if what if I look at it here? Okay, fine. Be that way. Wait, well, throw you in. Source hash. Oop, hold on just a second. Getting a phone call. Where do I mute myself here? All right, I am back. Sorry about that. All right, need to grab that code again and remove that line. Let me open up VS Code so I can copy paste this correctly. Yeah, it detected Ruby. Perfect. Go. So it got to 345 this time before it hit a type error. Yeah, so I need to figure out why this type changes. Source Ruby gems.org action pack, blah blah blah. 1,000 times dot do integer, yeah, okay. Source hash, this is just an object. Why is it called source hash? Actually, that's interesting. Object new. New basic object, which is foo, which is an array of objects. So I'm guessing the hash is just an object, which is an array of objects. Type shaping. Params. Or is this the stuff that it's hashing from? It might be what it's hashing from. Yeah. Okay. Params action controller. Parameters new source hash. Yeah, fetch. You know, foo class returns the class type and source hash. Yeah, can I just get highlight? Thank you. Key foo. Is this just like the same? It's the same. What the heck? Because this is the same expression. Like, I can even select that. Like, yeah, let's do this photo. This photo makes more sense because it's logging the exact same, like, Yeah, so either fetch as a side effect. So yeah, what does fetch do? What does params.fetch? Returns a parameter for the given key. If the key can't be found, there are several options. With no other arguments, it will raise an action controller parameter missing. We're not getting that. If a second argument is given, which we are not, there is only one argument, it's the key. Yeah, we're just doing a key like this. Then that is returned, converted an instance of if possible. If a block is given, then that will run and the result returned. Okay, what is an action controller? I don't know what action controller is. No, I want control Q. Got it. Cool. Okay. Understood. So action controller, we get parameters, which is just parameterized set for so one after the other. Does it consume? Is it getting collected? Like, what is hash within different access? Is a special type of hash provided by Rails that allows you to access keys using either symbols or strings interchangeably. It is part of active support library in Rails. Key features. Interchangeable access. You can access hash elements using either a symbol or a string without worrying about the exact type. Duplicate keys. If doesn't create duplicate keys. So it's a set. For example, if you set a value with a key and string, later access it with a symbol, it will still refer to the same value. Symbol and the thing. Aha. Okay, so they're all using indifferent hash with indifferent access. Okay, okay. So source hash. This is a hash within different access here. That's what this is. Okay. Okay. That's what this object is. Okay, okay, I see. Because then you can access it using, foo. Because hash name, which evaluates to Alice. So foo, this is the key, evaluates to an array which has index. Yeah, okay, okay. Understood, understood, understood. But then object new. So we're pulling object new. And object, in this case, is what we're... What does object new always return? Or what shape? So object... Wait, what was the syntax here? It's uppercase object dot new. Put object dot new. What am I doing wrong? Oh, it needs to be a string. Lamau. Yeah, so there's literally zero information outside of a pointer to that object. But object is a key, so... What is the in-memory shape of a blank object in Repo? Is the in-memory shape of a blank object in Ruby? You can introspect some parts of this in-memory shape using Ruby methods. Object ID retrieves the memory address from base unique identifier. Object ID instance variables will now show an empty list. But is it named? Is that object ID named? So if I do like, let's say, puts. Object dot new dot ID or so object ID is a flat object. Copy paste from VS Code. So we know that it has named fields per the runtime. Hash within different access. So what is parameters? Action controller. Parameters. What is... Class provided by Ruby on Rails framework, especially within action controller component. It is a specialized hash that is used to handle parameters received from the client web requests, such as those coming from... What's the difference between action control parameters and active support hash within different access? Because these are both hashes and they both have similar shape. To handle parameters received in a controller from client requests, such as query params, form data, and JSON payloads. Features strong parameters, provides mass assignment protection by requiring explicit declaration of which parameters are permitted. This is essential for preventing security issues like mass assignment vulnerabilities. Nested parameter handling handles deeply nested parameters, which is common in complex forms or JSON objects. In different access, allows access to keys using either strings or symbols interchangeably. Yep, using hash within different access. Special methods include like require for mandatory parameters and permit. Okay. So it's a shape with requirements. Okay. Extends the Ruby hash class to allow indifferent key access. It is not specific to any component, can be used anywhere within a Rails application where you have different access. Features in different access, yep. Helper methods, but it does not have things like requirements. Does Ruby have type narrowing? Does Ruby have type narrowing? I should just ask the AI. It's right here. New chat. Does Ruby have type narrowing? Yeah, it's a dynamic language, so likely. Does not have built-in narrowing, as you might find static like TypeScript. However, Ruby can implement some type checking and constrain via certain practices and libraries. For example, checking. Yeah, constraints, and one of the constraints of the other type of the parameters is that it requires certain items or permits others, and then nothing else. All right, so okay. Okay, so let's, for example, I just typed a message to this friend that I'm trying to help debug for. So let's do an example. Let's do So let's say and I want to check this. Yeah. Okay. Damn it. Yeah, I messed up here. Okay, puts I. There is no I. Okay, source hash. So this is an indifferent hash. And we're going to assert this. So if I do God, Ruby is weird. Puts source hash is a and then here we're gonna do okay, no. We're gonna do params. Yeah, so we have the params here. So we're gonna do puts and we're gonna say params is a params is and we're gonna say params is action controller parameters. And now we'll do this, and then we're gonna do params dot is okay puts and it's what action service or action support. Support hash with indifferent access. Ruby print boolean. How does Ruby print booleans? I need to check this. How to print boolean in Ruby puts yeah. Okay, I think this will work anyway. And then interpolate params is a actions or active inner param equals dot fetch foo 0 and then we'll copy paste this. All right, now we're going to do a hybrid of what I just wrote and of this. Oops. Mostly just copy pasta this and then add back in the param. So I should be able to mostly do this, I think, right? Yeah, I should be able to just like insert this here. Check that out. Okay. It says it's not a hash with indifference. And then matches as one. Oh no, that's params. I messed up. Yeah. I think that's exactly. Yeah. That's the part that bugs me. It's not static lookups. Yeah, it's not a guaranteed static lookup. Yeah, it's not a guaranteed static. Damn. Alright, well, mystery solved. I'm gonna take a break. Peace, y'all. Thanks for watching. You've been great. I'll see you next time.